What's IP rating? Today, we learned about the IP rating of solar lights. The first number relates to protection against solid particles. The second number to protection against liquid ingress. Many solar lights on the market are marked IP6, 7. Are these real data? To be honest, most of them are fake. It is normal for the dust-proof level to reach IP6X. However, it is very difficult to achieve IPX7 waterproof level, which requires the product to be able to work for more than 30 minutes at 0.15 to 1 meters below the water surface. On the one hand, solar lights are generally installed above the ground. On the other hand, the cost of a product with such a high-strength waterproof effect is at least 3 times that of the original one. Such high-priced solar lights are not easily conducive to consumers' purchases. Please be cautious about false propaganda on the market. So what is the waterproof level of conventional solar lights? Depending on the product, we recommend choosing IP44, IP54, IP65,